Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about some key insights on selecting the best tree service for your home or business. So stick around, watch all the way to the end of the video because the points that I'm going to go over today I think you'll find value in. So let's get started. Let's start with a fun fact, shall we? Did you know well cared for trees can significantly increase your property value? That's right. But more importantly, they ensure safety and bring natural beauty to your home and property. If you watch some of the previous videos on my channel, you will see where do-it-yourself jobs have gone extremely bad. So, first things first, check for qualifications. A tree service with an ISA Certified Arborist means you're getting someone who really knows their stuff about trees, from tree biology to proper care to tree risk assessment. Next up, pruning. It's not just about hacking away random branches, guys. There's an art form to it, and the standard that we follow is the ANSI A300 pruning standards, which is, shall we say, like the tree care Bible. Have you ever seen trees pruned into weird shapes? Heard the term lion's tail? That's what we avoid. Proper pruning always keeps your trees healthy and looking great. So as you can see in the video here, the crew is wearing their proper PPE or personal protection equipment because your safety and the safety of the tree service crew are paramount. A reliable tree service, guys, will always use proper safety gear and follow strict protocols. Yes, this includes being fully insured. It's not just a checkbox, it's peace of mind for everyone. And when I say fully insured, make sure that you get proof of workers' compensation insurance. Next up, communication. Listen, everyone, clear communication is key. That's a Captain Obvious moment. You want a service that listens to your needs and provides detailed information. If you want something done to your tree that is against one of the tree care standards, your tree care company should be educated enough to clearly communicate with you the risk associated with what you want to do. Once they explain their thinking and you both come to an agreement with the end result, they should be able to explain to you step by step the process of how everything should work. So there you have it, guys. Finding the right tree service, well, it may take a little bit of research, but let me tell you, it's worth it. Remember, it's not just about the cost, it's about the quality and the safety of work. Thank you again for tuning in. I hope you found this information valuable, and if you did, drop down below and smash that like button. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Here are 2 additional videos YouTube thinks you should watch right now, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.